Hey everyone, Tanner from Westcott Designs here. Today we're going to give you a video on your 5th gen Toyota 4Runner Molle panel install. Okay, so we got our Westcott Designs roof rack already installed previously. The Molle panels are an additional feature that bolt onto the roof rack and suction cup to the window. The tools you're gonna need are a 7/16 wrench or ratchet, a 5/32 Allen key, and a 3/16 Allen key. Okay, so we're gonna start first by removing the bolts in our rack on the very rear 2 crossbars, and we're gonna reuse that hardware to install on our Molle panel mounting bracket. Okay, we have our Molle panel mounting bracket here that's gonna bolt on to the existing holes in our roof rack. We're gonna line up the rear slot and the front slots, and then our holes on our crossbars are gonna go right through here with the hardware we pulled out. Okay, we have our mounting bracket installed on our roof rack with our hardware just snug if we have to make some changes. Now we're gonna take our Molle panel and our provided hardware, and we're gonna line up these 3 holes in the Molle panel to our mounting bracket and start our fasteners. Okay, we got our Molle panel installed onto the mounting bracket. That installs onto the roof rack. We got it close to where we want it to be. So now we're gonna take the hardware that comes with the Molle panel and we're gonna put it in the front and we're gonna put it in the rear. Okay, we have all our fasteners installed loosely and we got the Molle panel sitting where we want to be. We want to make sure that all our cutouts are lined up and the edges on the Molle panel are flush to the Molle panel mounting bracket. Now's the time to tighten all your fasteners and hit your suction cups. Okay, all our fasteners are tight. Now what you gotta do is push on the Molle panel to get your suction cups tight against the glass. And we're gonna push the red button on the plunger until the white line disappears. All right, that wraps up the install video for your 5th gen Toyota 4Runner Molle panels mounted on your Westcott Designs roof rack. Don't forget to comment below for what kind of content you wanna see. Like and subscribe for upcoming videos.